I am you, Anashrey. I am Hasni. We are studying 7th standard at Aribalamatricschool school.
I want to explain about hobbies of heart function. Eating my cat's meter, let enter the heart through the right onion. From the superior and inferior, bringing value and passes to the right atrium.
Blasting oxygen and remaining carbon dioxide return to the heart through the lungs.
1 minute 72 seconds on the heart breathing. This is my model of heart. I took some color paper, thermocol sheet, syringe, tube and red color water. I fixed the color paper on the thermocol sheet, the middle of the baby. I fixed the balloon and red color tube. Another roadside I fixed the syringe.
If I pump the syringe, the red color water goes to the heart and all parts of the human body. This is my working model of heart function. Thank you.
Studying 8th standard at Aribalamatricschool, Naramangalam. I want to tell about ATM, how to function ATM, how to get money from ATM. If we need money, we should insert the card and type the pin and we can get the money. In the current sensor, used an important part of human routine. The transfer, telecommunicate and commercialize the service related financial to customer. The transfer did not help Kaiser, Keller Car, Bank Teller. Thank you.
I am Sanakshi, studying 6th standard at Aribalamatricschool, Narayanpura. Now I am explain about Lighthouse. How do you use Lighthouse? Ships rely on Lighthouse to warn them of danger and guide to land. The main feature of all lighthouses is a bright light. Lighthouse used to be operated by a lighthouse keeper who lived in the buildings. In the earliest lighthouse used by burning fires, handles and lamps. Today the standard sources of light is an electric lamp. Now I switch on the light. The light is rotating. This is my model of lighthouse. Thank you.
Studying 4th standard section at Aribalamatricschool, Narayanpura. Now I am going to do the lung function. First I took one cardboard sheet, 2 balloons, 1 glucose empty bottle and 1 meter tube. First I fitted the balloon in a cardboard. Also connected the tube with glucose bottle. Now we pump the glucose bottle. The air goes to the model lungs. This is my in this time the lungs function. This is my model of respiratory system. Now we are going to see the importance of the lungs. There are 2 lungs located in the chest. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung. The lungs expand and contract as we breathe in and breathe out. The act of inhaling air to take in oxygen and exhaling air to expel carbon dioxide is called breathing. Thank you.
I am studying 5th standard at Aribalamatricschool, Narayanpura. Now we are going to collect the rainwater harvesting system. Rainwater harvesting is a technology used to collect, convey and store rainwater for later use from relatively clean surfaces such as a roof, land surface. Why rainwater harvesting is to be done? To get clean drinking water, saves high quality drinking water, reduces the potable water consumption. Where rainwater harvesting is to be used in dry zone areas, hilly areas where groundwater is low. Benefits of rainwater harvesting. Groundwater recharging, improved quality of groundwater, water saving. Disadvantages of rainwater harvesting. Regular maintenance, less storage capacity. This is model of my rainwater harvesting. Thank you.
I am going to do the lung function. First I took one cardboard sheet, 2 balloons, 1 glucose empty bottle and 1 meter tube. First I fitted the balloon in a cardboard. Also connected tube with glucose bottle. Now we pump the glucose bottle. The air goes to the model lungs. In this time the lungs function. This is my model of respiratory system. Now we are going to see the importance of the lungs. There are 2 lungs located in the chest. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung. The lungs expand and contract as we breathe in and breathe out. The act of inhaling air to take in oxygen and exhaling air to expel carbon dioxide is called breathing. Thank you.
Now we are going to rainwater harvesting system. Rainwater harvesting is a technology used to collect, convey and store rainwater for later use from relatively clean surface such as roof and land surface. Why rainwater harvesting is to be done? To get clean drinking water, saves high quality drinking water, reduce the potable water consumption. Where rainwater harvesting is to be used in dry zone areas, hilly areas where groundwater low. Benefits of rainwater harvesting: improve quality of groundwater, water saving. Disadvantages of rainwater harvesting: regular maintenance, less storage capacity. Thank you.
Studying 4th standard A section at Aribalamatricschool School, Maramangalam. I am going to do the lunch function. First, I took one cardboard sheet, two balloons, one glucose empty bottle, and 1 meter tube. First, I fitted the balloon in a cardboard. Also connected the tube with glucose bottle. Now we pump the glucose bottle. The air goes to the model lungs. In this time, the lungs function. This is my model of respiratory system. Now we see the importance of the lungs function. There are two lungs located in the chest. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung. The lungs expand and contract as we breathe in and breathe out. The act of inhaling air to take expel and carbon dioxide is called breathing. Thank you.
J. Prabha, studying 3rd standard at Aribalamatricschool School, Aribalamatricschool. Now I explain about water cycle. If there is no water, there is no life. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and bathing. How we get water? This is my model. First one is evaporation. Heat from the sun causes water to evaporate. Second one is condensation. Water vapor rises and condenses clouds. Third one is precipitation. Fourth one is collection. Thank you.
I am C. Dansika, studying 4th standard A section at Aribalamatricschool School, Maramangalam. Now I am going to do the lungs function. First, I took one cardboard sheet, two balloons, one glucose empty bottle, and 1 meter tube. First, I fitted the balloon in a cardboard. Also connected the tube with glucose bottle. Now we pump the glucose bottle. The air goes to the model lungs. In this time, the lungs function. This is my model of respiratory system. Now we are going to see the importance of the lungs. There are two lungs located in the chest. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung. The lungs expand and contract as we breathe in and breathe out. The act of inhaling air to take in oxygen and exhaling air to expel carbon dioxide is called breathing. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Shivanya. I am studying 3rd standard B section at Aribalamatricschool School, Maramangalam. Now I am explaining about water cycle. If there is no water, there is no life. Water is essential for all living things. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and bathing. How we get water? This is my model. Water cycle is 4 stages. First one is evaporation. Heat from the sun causes water to evaporate. Condensation. Water vapor rises and condenses as clouds. Precipitation. Water droplets fall from mass drizzle, rain, snow. Collection. Final stage of water cycle. Collect water. Oceans, rivers, lakes. The water cycle is the continuous process of moving between the earth. Thank you.
I am studying 3rd standard at Aribalamatricschool School, Maramangalam. Now I am explaining about water cycle. If there is no water, there is no life. Water is essential for all living beings. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and bathing. How we get water? This is my model. Water cycle is 4 stages. First one is evaporation. Heat from the sun causes water to evaporate. Condensation. Water vapor rises and condenses as clouds. Precipitation. Water droplets fall from a drizzle, rain, snow. Collection. Final stage of water cycle. Collect water. Oceans, rivers, lakes. The water cycle is the continued process of moving between the earth. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Sadhana, studying 3rd standard at Aribalamatricschool School, Maramangalam. Now we are explaining about water cycle. If there is no water, if there is no life. Water is essential for all living things. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and bathing. How we get water? This is my model. First one is evaporation. Second one is condensation. Third one is precipitation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sai Varsha, studying 3rd standard at Aribalamatricschool School, Maramangalam. Now I am explaining about water cycle. If there is no water, there is no life. Water is essential for all living things. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and bathing. How we get water? This is my model. Water cycle is 4 stages. First one is evaporation. Heat from the sun causes water to evaporate. Second one is condensation. Water vapor rises and condenses as clouds. Third one is precipitation.
Water droplets for ferments, reserve raising. Fourth one is collection. The final stage of water cycle. Collect the water, ocean, river, lake. The water cycle is the continuous process moving between the earth. This is my model of water cycle. Thank you.
Personal studying test and Aribalamatricschool School Maram. Now I explain about the water cycle. If there is no water, if there is life. Water is essential for all living things. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and bathing. How we get water? This is my model. Water cycle is process. First one is air pressure. Heat from the sun causes water to evaporate. Condensation. Water vaporizes and condenses as flux. Precipitation. Water droplets fall from muscle, gel, rain, snow. Collection, final stage of water cycle. Collect water, ozone, river, lakes. The water cycle is the continuous process of water moving between the air. This is my model of water cycle. Thank you.
At Aribalamatricschool, now I'm going to do the lunch function. First, I took one cardboard sheet, two balloons, one glucose empty bottle, and 1 meter tube. First, I fitted the balloon in the cardboard. Also connected the tube with glucose bottle. This time the lungs function. This is the model of respiratory system. Now we are going to see the important of the lungs. There are two lungs located in the chest. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung. The lungs expand, contract as we breathe in and breathe out. The act of inhaling air to expel carbon dioxide is called breathing. Thank you, bro.
Harnigasti, study in 4th standard B section at Aribalamatricschool School, Mangalam. Now I am going to do the lunch function. First, I took one cardboard sheet, two balloons, one glucose empty bottle, and 1 meter tube. First, I fitted the balloon in a cardboard. Also connected the tube with glucose bottle. Now, we pump the glucose bottle, the air goes to in the model lungs. In this time, the lungs function. This is my model of respiratory system. Now, we are going to see the important of the lungs. There are two lungs located in the chest. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung. The lungs expand, contract as we breathe in and breathe out. The act of inhaling air to take in oxygen and exhaling air to expel carbon dioxide is called breathing. Thank you.